Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to today's 15-minute feel-good flow. Today's practice was designed to wake up your body and feel good. So whether you are doing this first thing in the morning or a later time during the day, get ready to move your body and feel good. So when you're ready, get into something comfy, roll out your mat, or just get onto a softer surface, and let's get started. We're going to start today's practice in a child's pose, so come on down to the mat, knees as wide as the mat, and then slowly walk your hands out in front of you for an extended child's pose. Take a deep breath in. Land here on your mat. Allow your forehead to rest on the mat. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And slowly walk your hands off to the left side of the mat for a nice right side body stretch. Deep breath in. Really breathe into that side body. Then walk your hands back through center. Pause here for one breath in. Then walk your hands off to the right side of the mat for a nice left side body stretch. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And walk your hands back to center. Take one deep breath in. Then on your exhale, push yourself up to a tabletop position, hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Cat, cow, so inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine. Warming up your spine here. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your spine for cat. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Then find yourself in tabletop position again. Tuck your toes. Maybe walk your hands up a few inches and then slowly begin to lift your hips up high for your first down dog of the day. Deep bend in your knees, maybe pedaling out your feet. Really pressing through your hands, clawing through your fingertips to get the weight out of your wrists. Find stillness now on your mat. Deep breath in. Then look to the front of your mat and slowly tiptoe all the way to the front of your mat for ragdoll forward fold. Feet are at hip distance apart. You can still have a generous bend in your knees here. Let your head hang heavy. Maybe use opposite hand to grab opposite elbow. Maybe rocking a little gently side to side. Deep breath in. Start to connect with your breath. Connect with your body. Find stillness now. Slowly begin to release your hands down to the mat. Heel toe your big toes to touch. Your heels are about an inch apart. Then really press through your feet as you slowly begin to roll up one vertebrae at a time until your arms reach all the way up. Extended mountain pose. Deep breath in, look up. Then exhale, right arm drops down the side, left arm comes up and then over. Maybe nod your head a little yes, a little no. Then inhale, your right arm comes up. Exhale, left arm comes down, right arm comes up and then over. Maybe nod your head a little yes, a little no. Then inhale, your left arm comes up. Exhale, cactus your arms, baby back bend, look up. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Exhale, hands come through heart center, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Find a flat spine, forward fold. Plant your hands down on the mat, step your right foot back. Slowly lower your right knee for low lunge. Your left hand can come to the inside of your left foot. Really lean forward. You're going to feel this in your right hip. You can also come up here if this feels good for you and your body today. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Take one more deep breath in. Then tuck your right toe, lift your back knee up off the mat. Step your left foot back, high plank. Lower your knees to the mat. Slowly lower all the way down to the mat. Inhale, rise up, baby cobra. So really pressing into the tops of your feet and in your hips. Then exhale, melt all the way back down to the mat. Tuck your toes, press up into a high plank. Then lift your hips up high, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Take one more deep breath in. Then on your complete exhale, look to the front of your mat and step or lightly hop to the front. Halfway lift. Find a flat spine. Forward fold. Really press through your feet as you rise up. Extended mountain pose. Arms reach high up overhead. Inhale, look up. Exhale, drop your right arm down to your side. Left arm comes up and then over. Inhale, your right arm up. Exhale, left arm comes down. Right arm comes up and then over. Maybe nod your head a little yes, a little no. Inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, cactus your arms, baby back bend. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, find a flat spine. Then plant your hands, step your left foot back this time. Drop your back knee for a low lunge. Find the variation that feels best for you and your body today. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Get a big smile on your face. Be so proud of yourself for showing up today. One more deep breath in. Then tuck your left toe. Lift your left knee up off the mat. Step your right foot back, high plank. Then you can lower your knees or slowly lower all the way down to the mat. Maybe walk your hands up off the mat for high cobra this time if that feels good. Warming up that spine. Then slowly melt all the way back down to the mat. Hands come back into your chest. Tuck your toes. Press into your hands. Come up to high plank. Then lift your hips up high, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. One more deep breath in. Then look to the front of your mat and step or lightly hop to the front. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose. Just one deep breath in. Then hands come through heart center, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Plant your hands, step or hop back, high plank, low plank, upward facing dog. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Left foot forward, warrior one. Deep bend in your left knee. Pull the pit of your belly in, just one deep breath in. Then open it up. Warrior two, strong arms, strong legs, really pressing into the outer edge of your right back foot. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Then inhale, reverse your warrior, find a nice side body stretch. Then cartwheel your hands all the way down to the mat to frame your left foot. Step your left foot back, flow through your vinyasa. Meet me in downward facing dog. Deep breath in. I'm going to turn around. You don't have to. Just one more deep breath in. Then on your complete exhale, look to the front of your mat and step or lightly hop to the front. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose. Deep breath in. Then exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Plant your hands, step or hop back. High plank. low plank, upward facing dog, tuck your toes, downward facing dog, right foot forward, warrior one this time, deep breath in, deep lunge in your right knee. Just one deep breath in, then open it up, warrior two. Then inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down to the mat. Step your right foot back, high plank, low plank, upward facing dog, tuck your toes, downward facing dog, deep breath in. I'm gonna flip around one more time, you don't have to. Deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Take one more deep breath in, then look to the front of your mat, come forward into a plank position. Slowly lower your knees all the way down to the mat. We're gonna come onto our knees for camel. So come into the center of your mat on your knees, if this feels comfortable for you to do so. So take your right hand behind you. Inhale, sweep your left arm up and around, pressing in through your hips. Look up. Feel a beautiful stretch in your front body. Option to be here, if that feels better for you. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Then slowly lower all the way back down. Left hand comes behind you this time. Right arm sweeps up and then over. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. One more deep breath in, then slowly lower back down. We're gonna do that one more time on each side. So right hand comes down, left arm comes up and over, reaches up high. Deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Then slowly lower all the way back down. Left arm comes to the back. Right arm sweeps up and then over. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Then slowly lower back down to the mat. Come to a seated position on your mat. Right foot is going to come out long in front of us. Your left foot's going to come to your right inner thigh. Inhale your arms up overhead, and with a flat spine, we're gonna fold over our right leg for right single leg forward fold. Once you get to wherever you've gotten to, feel free to just release. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Maybe give your foot or your calf or your thigh a little massage wherever you landed today. Show your body a little bit of love. Say thank you so much for showing up for me today. Just one more deep breath in. Then slowly begin to rise up. Left foot comes out in front of you. Right leg comes in this time. Inhale your arms up overhead, and with a flat spine, fold over your left leg. And then feel free to round your spine and just sink into it. Again, show your body a little bit of love wherever you landed today, whether that's your thigh, your calf, maybe your foot. And just take one more deep breath in. And then on your exhale, slowly begin to come back up into a seated position. You can come into a cross-legged position if that feels best for you and your body today. Maybe put one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. We're gonna close with a deep breath in together. I'm so proud of you for showing up for yourself today. Hands can come to heart center. Thumbs meet your third eye. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If this class supported you, I'd love for you to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who might need it too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in our next practice.